Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with ClickFunnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with ClickFunnels, log in to your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to your dashboard and locate the billing section. Click on billing to view your current subscription details and usage. Next, identify your current plan and the features it includes. This will help you determine if you are getting the value you need for your budget. Now, head over to the Account Settings tab. In this section, you will find your payment methods and billing history. Review your past expenditures to see where you can potentially cut costs. Consider evaluating your current funnels and their performance. Identify which funnels are generating revenue and which ones are underperforming. Remove or edit underperforming funnels to save on your budget. Next, think about automating processes within ClickFunnels to reduce manual tasks. Utilizing automation can help streamline operations and save time, ultimately impacting your budget. Check out the email integration feature to connect your email marketing platform. This integration can help eliminate the need for third-party services, reducing your overall budget. Review any additional tools or apps linked to your ClickFunnels account. If you notice unnecessary subscriptions, consider canceling them to save money. Finally, reassess your budget periodically, adjusting your ClickFunnels usage based on your business growth and shifting needs. Monitoring your spending will ensure that you maximize your investment with ClickFunnels. By following these steps, you'll establish a more efficient budget with ClickFunnels that aligns with your business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.